I'll try this again. I've got some blue tape. I put blue tape around it to keep the center finder in place. I'm trying that with the reamer. I'm also got to be careful because this plate was moving around. I didn't realize I didn't have it all tight. So anyway, I'm going to try to come in here and cut part of the way. Pick it up. Pick it up. You can see it's cutting. And I'm just going to go ahead and go all the way through. So I went through. Great. Now the next step, once it goes through, is to install a bushing. But before I do that, I want to give it a little slight countersink, just enough to remove the flashing. So let me take this reamer out. These D-reamers cut both ways, so makes that convenient. Okay, now I'm going to, I got it in a hand tool as well, but I can put it in this. It's made to go in a machine or in a hand tool, but it's just a little small countersink, and I'm going to just barely knock the flashing off. Okay. I think that's enough there. At this point, if I don't knock everything around, at this point, I should be able to just drive the bushing home. So let me get a bushing in place. It'll be one of those that I mentioned earlier. It'll be the KWM. Make sure that's right. I just cut with a 2.7 D bit. I want to make sure I put a bushing in there. It's going to be that. Yep. And we want the countersink, some call it oil sink. I want the countersink to actually be on the, this is the inside of the clock movement, inside the plate. We want the countersink to be facing the outside. Let's make sure we've got it right. Facing the outside, yeah, and this is the flat part. Okay. So this is going to put it just into the hole there. The goal is to get it to set up right and not flip over. Kind of get it to start. I don't know why I'm having trouble, but I am. Now it's sort of basically over the hole. It's not starting yet, and that's okay, because I'm gonna drive it home with a pusher, one of these, some called a hammer pusher, whatever. I'm actually going to put it in here because I've got to really wrap hard. I'm going to do the whole blue tape thing with that too. I do not want it coming out when I'm trying to drive this thing home. So once you get this in, next goal is to just wrap it. And the goal is to get it completely flush with the back, the inside of the plate. I can feel a little bit of proud there, so let's drive it just a little bit more. Okay. The biggest test is to take a X-Acto knife, and I don't know if mine's handy, but I have another a Husky knife. If you can catch the lip and feel it, I can't really feel anything. I think we're good. So that's one bushing in, and that is the one for the second wheel. Now, the best way to see how that's happening, remember I mentioned earlier that this bushing was just a little bit almost on the loose side for starting. Let me take this hammer out, pusher out, because if it's not going to work, I want to know now. Let me move this hand rider away a little bit, because I've got to put in 2 more for this type of thing. So, okay, all right, it actually goes in. It fits really good. I haven't done any tilt. You see us barely tilting. That's a good sign right now, because I can take a broach and make the tilt a little bit better. But right now, it's going to have good shape because I've drove it in nice and flush. So that's good. Now, that's on the strike side. For the inside of the front plate, we had the number 67, which is what I just drove in. We had a number 67 for the front plate. We also have one for the back plate. We don't have it in right now, but I'm going to look at the time side. And according to my notes, on the time side, which is over here, we should be looking at a second wheel. It takes a 67 right there, and it gets it on the front plate. It will also get it. Well, this is the strike. I'm sorry, I just put the strike in. The time side is up here. So yeah, the front plate only gets a bushing, and the 67 is what it is. Okay. So what I need to do now is go, while I've already got these bushings out, I'm set up for this particular hole. I want to go ahead and do the other one on the other side here. So I'm going to set that up and take you off camera. There's no point in going through all that process. You kind of saw what I was doing.